What is going on in the world today, staying in business means to cut out all the fluff, the work politics, and all the different chains of command. So for the few managers that are hanging on and the ones that are coming through that door for a job, please make sure you have this certification under your belt more after the intro. What's going on? This is Markie and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Enjoy the tutorial. All the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any trending courses you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you'd like to get certified in and I can send you a link personally to check out. So let's get started. The lean methodology relies on three very simple ideas. Number one, deliver value from your customer perspective. Number two, eliminate waste, things that doesn't bring value to the end product. And number three, continuous improvement. So now you know the core idea. Let's dig a little deeper as to what this lean management certification course is all about. Instead of holding total control of outdated work processes and keeping a spotlight to yourself, lean management encouraged shared responsibilities and shared leadership. Keep in mind, you must also be willing to have lean trust in the people who are doing the job to say how it should be done. I will go over a few subject courses that you will learn along the way. Let's take one of my favorite lessons, Theory of Constraint, or TOC, which is finding the most important factor that stands in the way of achieving a goal. Sometimes it could be a coworker, your boss, and even tools and software. These 5 principles are considered a recipe for improving efficiency in the workplace, which should include defining value, mapping the value stream, creating flow, using a pull system, and pursuing perfection. The Lean Management course will supply you with a few styles of operating a lean program such as Kaizen, Kanban, Poka-yoke, through autonomous maintenance, preventing maintenance, process quality management, and another one of my favorites as well, preventive maintenance. This will all be a part of the lean manufacturing and TPM, total productive maintenance. With supply chain management going hand in hand, there will also be that subject to cover along with the advantage of applying lean to the supply chain management. One of the hardest things regarding long life employees is instilling change within the company, whether it's an outdated department, position, or the overall business itself. So this lean management course will have a chapter on implementation of lean manufacturing, change management, deploying lean in an organization. When you purchase the lean management certification, you will also receive the highly recognizable hard copy certificate at your physical address within 12 to 15 days of taking the exam. The certificate can be used to prove your certified status, and it does not mention the word online. You will receive an online transcript that mentions your score, and you can use it to prove your certified credentials on the internet or to employers and customers. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. All the links will be down in the description. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can also check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails that are over here floating, might have an interest in, and hope to see you on the next tutorial. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.